Alright, this is Blue Group. Miss Adams, Blue Group, I wanted to play your part. Alright, here is what you have written so far. Okay, and it's actually a really good line. I went ahead and configured all the chords for you. Here we have a C chord, another C chord based on what you have written. Here you have D and F, which I went ahead and put it as an F chord, even though there's no D, just to see what it would sound like. And then here I have another C, an F, a C, and a C chord. Alright, and we're going to use these notes within the chord to help us build the next line. But let's hear what it sounds like so far. So here we have this. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. Oops, not that way. I'm going to turn this one down just a little bit. Okay? So here we go. Let's listen to what it sounds like. All in all, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so now we're going to write your bass line. Now, your bass line is what's down here. I went ahead and put 8 tas just to start off. This is a great place to start because sometimes it can be challenging trying to find something that goes with your line. So starting with 8 tas is fine. Now, since this is a bass line, we want to keep it simple, but we don't want to make it too simple. So having nothing but tas probably is not the way to go. But let's see if we can make something a little bit more interesting. So we're going to use the chords to kind of help us. So we have C here. So we have C. We have another C. I'll keep the 2 C's the same for now. And here we have F, which I could bring the F up to here. Okay? And here we have a C. Now I could go back to C, but if you notice, the F is here, well the G is right next door. So maybe if we put the G, we can put the G here, and let's see, oh, and we have the A here, so we could do F and A, or we can just do G and F, because here we have a G going to the A. So if we do that, that might not sound good. So let's do the opposite, G to the F, and then, ooh, then we can go to E, and then to C. Okay? So let's hear what that bass line sounds like. Let's hear it. Okay, oops, let me do one more thing. Let me turn it up just a little bit. Okay, here's the bass line. Okay, all in all, not bad at all. Let me turn it up just a little bit more. Okay, now what I want to do is hear what it sounds like against this line, against your line that you wrote. Let's hear it. Let's see here. Let me set it up. Okay. Okay, actually it does not sound half bad. The only thing that I really want you to try, I don't want you to copy exactly what I have, okay, because I just wrote it for you. What I do want you to try is take what I have and try to make it at a 4th grade level. Right now this is about a 2nd grade level rhythm because it's nothing but ta. You're doing nothing but keeping the beat. You don't even have a rest at the end to give it some sort of interest. So what I would do is maybe you can copy the rhythm that you have here, ta, ta, bump, bump, ti, ta, 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 with a rest. That might be one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is maybe write the opposite. Just do ta, ta, or maybe they make the bump, bump, ti, make it in the beginning. Bump, bump, ti, ta, 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 ta. Rest. And see what that sounds like. The other thing you can do is maybe make a TT. Like here, you could make this a TT. Rather than do a skip, maybe put a step in between so you go all the way back down. That's one thing you can do. There's various things you can do, but the one thing I want you to change is all these tas. I don't want to see 8 tas. I want to see something 4th grade level. All right? And then your goal is to play this line and this line together at the same time. All right, that's what I want y'all to try to do. Okay, so good luck.